Stay tuned until the end to find out how to import your own file to print. First, find the file you want to print. If you're using a 3D modeling program such as Blender or Fusion 360, export or save as either a .obj file or a .stl file. Import your file into a slicing program. I'm using a free program called Slicer, which will be linked in the description. Click on Export G-code and save the file somewhere where you can find it later. Once saved, open the file with a text editor. I'm using Notepad++. Copy all of the text in the document. Open the 3D printer game in Studio Edit mode. In Workspace, find the script creatively titled Script. Under the script, there will be a module script called Module Script. Delete that. Right-click on Script, Insert Object, and insert a brand new module script. Open the module script by double-tapping. Remove both curly brackets and replace them with double square brackets. Paste the G-code in between the square brackets. Click Playtest. And there you go, you should be printing now. Hey, are you a 3D modeler? Do you have a currently unused 3D printer? Do you want to help our healthcare workers? Why not join a 3D printing community? There's a huge global shortage of face shields and other personal protective equipment desperately needed by hospital staff. Go to www.prusa3d.com/COVID-19 with a link in the description to find out how you can help.